Like I have nowhere to.
Yeah, it's like.
Yeah. Hey everyone, this is Stealth from the Heroes Workshop, and in this video I'm going to be doing a suit up of the ODST foam cosplay in the desert scheme. In the last video we completed the build, but this video I'm going to do the suit up because I didn't have time to put on all the parts and try it on. So this video I'm going to show you how everything connects, all the buckles and everything, and then finally do like a mobility test, and then do something cool with the green screen that we just installed. So let's, you gonna help me out? Maybe?
Yes.
Alright, so with the help of this man here, who's a teamster to the extreme stir.
No, I'm working behind the scenes.
He will help me put this on, and then we're gonna show you guys what it looks like. Let's do it. hope you guys liked the video. Thanks to Mr. Spricken for filming everything and setting up the green screen while I was in costume. I couldn't really help him out there. Remember, if you want to build your own ODST cosplay, remember to go to heroesworkshop.com and get the Peppercore for Cosplay tutorial series with the ODST files. The link is in the description. You can get the files and build your own ODST suit or anything else found on heroesworkshop.com. You can build an Iron Man suit, a Master Chief suit, anything like that. Have a look. Remember, if you're new in cosplay and you need supplies, use the cosplay supply section on heroesworkshop.com. Please use the Amazon links. It helps us out a lot. Another thing, remember to join the Heroes Workshop Builders group. You can join the group, post your work, and ask questions, anything like that. We love seeing your work, so remember, please join and post your work. That way I can check it out. And please remember to like the video. It's very important. If you really want to support the channel, all you gotta do is just hit the like button. I think, what would it be? I always forget. Anyway, it's down there. It means a lot. It really helps the channel and it helps the video spread across YouTube. Please keep up the likes. It's really important for the channel's growth, and we thank you. And what else? Oh, another thing, this ODST cosplay is for sale. I don't need it anymore. All I wanted to do was build it and have fun doing something cool like that test film. So now it will be forever archived on YouTube for me to always look back. I don't need to wear it to a con or anything like that. I don't always need to wear the cosplay to a con. I just like building things. My passion is just building. Some cosplays I will wear to con, like the Red Hood cosplay. But for this, it will be on sale on heroesworkshop.com in the clearance section. Free shipping to US and Canada. If you want to buy it and you're overseas, please message me. I'll give you an international shipping quote, and I can ship it to you as well for an extra added fee.
One of a kind.
Remember, yes, it's one of a kind, so that's it. I'm not making another one.
Piece of new shop history.
Yeah, this is new shop history, so I'm only building one, so this is it. You can take it, you can do whatever you want with it. You can repaint it back to the default scheme, I don't care. Just remember to have fun in it, and that's all that matters. We'll be doing more videos with finished cosplays. For now, we got the green screen, but when we can go outside and film the real world, we will. Like, we can do fight scenes and all that cool stuff, so stick around, and we'll be doing more things like that in the future. That's it for the video. I think that's said quite a bit. What are we doing?
Yeah.
I think it's enough. I'm really hot in this cosplay. Alright, that's it for the video. This is Stealth.
And Mr. Spricken.
And this is Heroes Workshop, and we'll be back soon with another video. Remember to keep building and have fun.
Go, go!